Barioka! Hello everyone!
How you guys doing? I'm Seth.
And this is Rina.
Today we've come to Yatsushiro City in Kumamoto Prefecture. We're going to see what kind of place it really is. So today we have invited Matsumoto-san.
Yeah, Matsumoto-san. Where is he from?
Yatsushiro City.
Yep, he's from Yatsushiro City.
And he's going to tell us today the best plan to get the most out of your time at Yatsushiro City.
松本さん、来てください。こんにちは。よろしくお願いします。
松本です。
じゃあ、八代市の魅力について教えていただいてもいいですか？
はい、八代はですね、海あり、川あり、山あり、
River, mountain.
はい、もう昔からですね、港町として栄えた港町です。
Oh, so now we have the information that there are a person who's making a sword in this city, and we are going to peek the history of Yatsushiro. And it's the history itself is like 600 years history. And the last one, we are going to eat Kumamon's cheek today. And let's see what's going on next. Barioka!
Kongo Bay 港森高作。
That was long. Did you heard that?
Yeah, but
Kongo Bay 港森高作。
昔から歴史あるもう700年続くこの森高さんの名前で、このお店自体はですね、もう今森高刃物店ってなってるんですけども、もうこの江戸時代とかはもうこの名前で作ってらっしゃる。
This place has a history of 700 years.
700.
Yeah, that's so long. And we have the name of Moritaka-san for this like sword name, I guess.
Okay.
And well, let's just go inside and check inside. Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah, wow.
Like they literally have every single pointy stuff.
It's not just, knives or anything. They have all sorts of tools.
Yeah. And each knives have the names too. This, she just mentioned that is for fish.
For fish.
This one.
Okay.
This one is for fish. Oh yeah, it's written filleting fish. Wow, it's available to cut chicken bones?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty
Wow.
cool. And how about others?
This one is for slicing sashimi.
Ah, sashimi! It's so long.
Yeah, very long.
Why is it so long?
I'm not sure.
Oh.
But some dealers ordered at the maximum length 36
36 centimeters.
Very long.
Wow.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a professional, I felt like, isn't it okay to be short kind of stuff? Because usually when you cut slice sashimi, it's after when you cut the fish into a small piece,
Yeah,
and
yes.
this comes later. So
Just this demonstration. I don't know.
that's sweet. Cool,
For
cool.
very
cool.
large fish. 'Cause
Yeah.
I think this one looks like it's for sashimi as well.
Right. Oh, this one. No, I think.
Oh, for down?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're done.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
And how about this one?
This one is called petty knife.
Petty
for
knife.
Paring small stuffs and
Wow.
means like garlic or something like that.
Ah, okay. Cool.
And this one is called gyuto. Gyuto is very popular among especially foreign customers.
Wow. Why is it popular?
Just I don't know that. I'm not sure that standard shape of I think.
This is the standard size.
Really? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe of this selection, it would be the closest to a typical one.
Really, for me, I thought this would be the typical size. It's like pretty huge, no?
No, I definitely get where they would go to this one. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's a square one.
Square, yeah.
What is this also?
This is for vegetable. Cutting vegetable.
This is for
Yes.
vegetables. Wow. Like,
Very authentic old style.
it's amazing. Like each knife have like each purpose.
Yeah.
Next to santoku is this one called santoku.
Uh-huh.
Santoku is very kind of standard.
Oh, this is a
for
standard.
Japanese.
Okay.
For Japan, this is standard.
Japan
And for other countries, this is standard.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, we started making this type of knives after we started selling items abroad.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Cool.
はい
はい。
いいですか、
はい
私
Wow.
おすすめしたいことがあります
He has a little recommendation. That's so
こう
sweet.
今いっぱいありますけど、
はい。
このですね政治スーパーというこのシリーズがですね切れ味がすごいんですよ。どれもすごいんですけどね。どれもすごいんですけど、多分ぜひですね見てほしいです。実演を。
Oh, so now they're going to show us how good the knife is.
Okay.
Oh, wow. There's a newspaper there.
All right. Wow.
That's cool.
Man,
すごいです。
that's
That's
amazing.
cool. That's cool.
これですね実際自分でやったらもっと感動します。
やりたい. I want to try. I want to try that. Okay, I pull this. ここ。
いやいやスローダウン
Throw down.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Look, I'm trying to like make it as thin as possible. And I'm like, I don't need any.
You don't need to
Power.
hold it down or anything.
Yeah, it's just like.
思い切り
You should try this.
Yeah, it's
you should
amazing.
try this. Okay. Now
There we
it's.
go. Wow. What do you mean? That's amazing. I've never had a knife like that before.
This workshop employs traditional hand forging techniques. Using tools such as hammers, metal is repeatedly struck and compressed to shape it, a time-honored manufacturing process. Japanese blade-making techniques are said to be unmatched elsewhere in the world. By combining steel and iron, craftsmen can produce blades that are both extremely hard and remarkably tough. At Morikou Hamono, instead of using pre-laminated steel materials, the artisans intentionally stick to the labor-intensive process of forge welding by hand. As a result, their blades achieve a level of sharpness that cannot be attained through mass-produced laminated steels. If you are interested in seeing the production process, you can request a tour in advance. Contacting the factory ahead of time is recommended. English-speaking staff are available, so non-Japanese speakers can also enjoy the tour without concern. Please make your inquiry during weekdays between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m.